I'm saying bitches today.
Bitches!
No, bitches, bitches.
So we're still at the parking lot. And then when Luna is ready, we'll go. We drove 3 hours, so
3 hours and a half.
Yeah, 3 hours and a half.
Life is beautiful.
Everything for cosplay, we say.
Oh,
but,
I feel sick, by the way.
Why?
Oh, my stomach.
Oh. Do you need to eat something?
No.
Drink something?
No.
Just nothing. So.
Yeah. Nothing.
We are inside, and it's a bit crowded. But we'll just walk around and see what, how does this look, because the floor plan is huge. I can't look anymore. And we already bought some fan art. Can't handle ourselves. Hurrah! Look, that's pretty. We have food. Oh no! No, I can't speak this. How does it call again?
Connichi.
Onomiyaki of sweet. Something like that. I can't pronounce it.
Me neither.
Luna can't. She pronounces it.
She's still waiting.
She's waiting for her pancakes, Japanese pancakes. And we're already eating because we're hungry bitches. And we walked around a bit, but it's really, the floor plan was really confusing. Because it's kind of small actually. But we'll manage to find a way and probably go to the cosplay competition, the World Cosplay Summit from Germany. And then we'll see. Is it tasty? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, pancake. There's only one. What is in between it?
It's a blueberry one.
Just have some bubble tea. I'm full now. Yeah, my stomach. But probably going to search for picture places because we were too late for seeing the competition. Yay! We couldn't go inside. So that was unfortunate. Lance, what is Alua doing?
I don't know.
So she's calling the people so they can close the curtain, like. Look at that booty! Woo! Just laying on the ground for Allura. Happy for the pictures.
Angles, the panty shots.
My dream has come true. My cosplay senpai.
We can scratch that off the bucket list.
Yes! And she was so friendly. Oh, she was cute. I hope someday she'll come to Belgium. For somewhere close that we can see.
Closer than this one.
Yeah, this was far.
This is really a far convention for us.
Yeah. But we've seen her, so yeah, I'm happy. And cosplay too. Then you have her like,
She's like,
I filmed it. Yeah, somebody needs to do that. I did a good thing. Yeah, I'm a good boy. I'm a real boy. Yeah.
oh fuck.
What?
Going naked.
Going naked? No, we're going home actually.
After party.
After party. Yeah, we have seen like everything because it wasn't that big, but we saw some friends and some new friends. Woo! Happy to make them every day. Yay! Yeah. And now we're walking back to the car again with the 3.5 hour ride. Yeah. And then we'll probably watch a movie or something. What were you doing?
You were doing this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, what were you planning to do?
Yeah, your hand was gone. I was like, hello, darkness, my old friend.
I can edit that in.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yeah, I started.
Oh, there. Yeah, so we'll find maybe something to eat.
Bye bye.
Bye. We'll see if we eat somewhere on the way or that we just drive home. Depends on our stomach.
Yeah.
Are you holding your crown?
Yeah.
But
It's falling down.
we got some great compliments on our costumes. Yes, I'm so happy. Because she made it in a day. I don't think I have said that, but
You're filming the clouds.
sorry. It's a bad angle. Yeah. So we'll see you guys in the next video. I still need to edit a lot.
Yeah.
Me. So yeah. See you next video, guys. Bye.